three-part series in how to make my favorite egg, bacon, asparagus side dish. Now I'm going to show you how to make the bacon. Pan frying is a standard way to cook bacon, but it has its drawbacks. Only a few strips fit flat in most skillets, and they slope up the sides and they end up cooking unevenly. They can shrink more in a hot pan. Starting them cold helps, but you still have to flip them a lot. So take a cue from the chefs. Bake your bacon. It heats from all sides and cooks more evenly. I have a cookie sheet here lined with foil with bacon strips on a rack. Now with the rack I don't have to flip my strips. They get even heat from all sides. I'm going to pop them into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Alright, so here is the baked bacon, and this is the pan-fried bacon. I think the baked bacon looks a lot better. It looks more evenly cooked. That, not so good. Anyway, I'll finish off by blotting the bacon a little bit. And this, I don't think I need to blot. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to cook the asparagus and put it all together with the eggs and the bacon.